What is up, guys? Austin Sled 926 here. We are back with another video. Now today we will be vlogging, but yeah, y'all. One thing, go subscribe to Corey Kenshin. You know that fly samurai brother. Go subscribe to him. I subscribe to him. You should too. Yeah, but all my subscribers out there, thank you so much. I mean, it's a pleasure. It's a really freaking pleasure for all my subscribers out there. And if you live in Magnolia, you know, yeah. But we have my sister over there talking on the phone, listening to music on her stinking speaker every day on her speaker now that it works. Say hi to the family. She said hi. Oh, doggy. Well, Robin. He's inside. I'm about to go inside. Oh, Robin, get back. I don't want you running out. Get back. Back. Good boy. All right, everybody say hi to Lynn. Robin, say hi. My name is Robin. My name is Robin. And yeah. I love you all. Come on. Look, I love you all. I love you. And I'm going to be taking over this vlog today. Oh, really? Yes. I want to vlog for a day or two. But, yeah. So what I do is I just sit down, scratch on the door if I see any cats or dogs or just, Kiara. Right there. And, I just walk around, lay down all day, and when school starts, I'm gonna miss Dennis. So what I do is just lay down until he comes home, which is at 4 o'clock. So, yeah. Right now it's very dark in this room because there's no lighting. Now there's lighting. But, yeah, follow me. Okay.
Somebody hacked Momo's Facebook account. Dennis.
I heard. Robin's looking at something. I see something. I don't know what. Robin, we literally just see nothing but houses and cars. I see something. You guys don't have great eyesight like me. I just see something. Either I'm staring at Kiara. Hey! Don't mess with my ear. Stop messing with my ear. Okay. Stop messing with my ear. Hey, what I say? Stop messing with my ear. Follow me. Why do you still have your leash on? I don't know. Hold on, let me take this off. Yeah, there we go. Free as a bird. Now I'm gonna put it with my leash while Dennis takes over the whole vlog. Really, Robin? Really? For real? My dog is crazy. Oh my God, what the freak? Hold on. What happened?
Bradford got sacked. Where the hell is the O-line? Look at this. Watch how far they take him back.
Hold on, you gotta see this real quick.
Look, he came right through. Nobody blocked him.
That's just a bad start for the Eagles. It's a bad start. You know my Eagles team.
Now we're all the way back to 5-yard.
Yes, it's bad. Very, 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 very bad. If you haven't seen my 2 Stickman Annihilation videos, make sure to go check those out and leave a like. Robin's gonna take over the vlog now, so hey, babe. Hey guys, it's me, Robin. Me, Robin, and I'm just trying to get one of my old toys that are old that I'm not allowed to chew on, and I'm about to get spanked. Ah! Get hot! Oh, he found the treat from yesterday that I threw in there. Nothing to do. I tried to record a finally got some freaking yards, but I tried to record a Pokemon Go video earlier. It didn't work. Pokemon Go worked. But my screen recorder didn't. So yeah, I guess my screen recorder only records 2 videos a day. Well, not 2 videos a day, like, yeah, 2 videos a day, I think. It's like, unlike there's like a certain video, I gotta go look that up, but yeah. Hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.